So we've previously demonstrated the ID-913 charge decay meter operating in a standalone environment where the instrument controls the test voltage, makes the measurements, and it's all done via the TFT touchscreen display. Now we're going to demonstrate using the instrument with, in this instance, a laptop, and the laptop's running a simple GUI that we've developed here at IDB to control the instrument in exactly the same way, but with the added advantages of being able to store the test results on the PC so that you can analyze them later under a sample number, so you can start allocating numbers to your test samples. So it's really easy once again to connect the two pieces of equipment together. On the rear panel of the ID-913 there is a Type B USB connector, and you can use a standard Type B to Type A USB connector. I've started the GUI on my laptop here, so I'm going to plug in my USB cable, and the instrument and the USB interface will enumerate, and we can scan for any new ports available, and we've found port 15 is what's been allocated to talk to the instrument, so we highlight that and we open a port to the instrument, and we have a little memo pad here that shows us port COM15 has been opened, and if you observe on the instrument we've got a little USB logo that says the instrument recognised that the PC is connected to it. From there on, it's pretty much exactly the same way of controlling the instrument. As you remember, the first thing we did before was to run the zero offset program, and we do that by just touching the button there, and the instrument's seen that button, it's highlighted in blue, and it's now making the zero offset adjustments that it needs, and that's been done, and it's been completed. So we now set the Emax button. Remember, we want to baseline the electric field strength in here inside the sample drawer without a sample present. So we want to make a sweep in 30 seconds, over 30 seconds of what the electric field strength is. And we do that by setting the Emax button active, and once again we press the start button. And once again on the instrument, the start button's been seen as depressed. We have the high voltage logo that's come on there next to the start button. You'll see that the green indicator has been replaced by a red one that says don't put your hands anywhere near the insides of the sample drawer now. We're plotting our results, and at the same time on the PC we have a progress bar that's synced to the test results, so when the PC reads 30 seconds, we finish the tests. You can see the PC is now retrieving test results from the instrument, and it's plotting them on a simple graph between 0 and 256 samples, and I'm not sure it's coming through too clearly on the PC but on the video, but we've got exactly the same plot on the PC now as we have on the instrument. So once again now we're ready to clear those test results, and we want to now load the test sample.